Dump truck. This is the one with the metal dump truck. This is the one that came out. They came made with two different versions. One with the plastic and one with the metal dump backside. This one's the one with the metal. The one with the metal didn't come out for very long. They replaced it with the plastic. Well, of course, you know why? So that Hot Wheels could save money. Costs a fortune to produce all this, right? So why not make it plastic? That's what they did. No scratches, no dents, no leaks. Gas tank's full intact. That's that. I have the silver version too, but I haven't played that one yet. But I will. Never fear.